Hey everybody, this is Dave. Here we're going to look at some photos I shot with a Olympus 35mm camera. Take a look at the camera. It's the Olympus Infinity Mini. It's got a little barn door, built-in flash, little LED info screen at the top. Take a look inside real quick. Open up the back. And this thing worked great. I got one roll of film shot with it. And then the next time I tried to use it, notice this battery compartment door was not closing correctly, and it's not latching. So I'm not sure. No matter what I did, it could not make a connection to keep batteries in it. So I'm not sure if I even put tape there, it would even hold. So I'm not sure I will get to use this one again, but I did get one roll of film shot with it, like I just said, and it is this good old Ilford HP5. It's an old school film. This is a ASA 400. I did use this in this Olympus, so go take a look at the photos I took. Roll of 36. Let's see how many I got.